Hi guys, you know what time it is? Look at the logo, it's Subway Surfers time. Let's go. Hold up, what? What's that? Me? You think I want this ugly thing? Bro, it's a human pretending to be a puppet. I do not want that. Plane. Go. Let's use head starts. Oh! I'll take those. Boots. I need that for one of my achievement. Okay, I couldn't get in my mind for some reason. Ow! What? I'm gonna take you with a key. I didn't see that. Okay, don't look.
Most
I
of the
gotta use
people in
that. Don't look, guys.
don't know about the secret level. If you go,
Guys, don't look. Okay, you're good, guys. I've been seeing that you really like Subway Surfers. So, we're doing another video. I know it sounds crazy, but we are actually. Ow! Look! Ow! That hurt! Bro, I missed that 2x score booster. Oh my god. Why am I so laggy? About to jump. Well, I'm gonna continue with P since I like it crazy and I don't want you to get infected by the ads. I actually hate ads. They're gonna kill you one day because of how annoying they are and how unuseful they are. Unless you're an adult, because you might need to repair your windshield because somebody threw a rock at you. Safe light repair. Bro, that happened again. Okay, okay, let's go. 755. Cookies, thank you. Oops, you accidentally pressed F4. Don't look, guys. Don't look. It's a stupid ad. It's a stupid ad. It's a stupid ad. Stupid ads. Stupid ads. Stupid ad. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna do one more and then stop. Boom. Easy. Why did I do that? I just almost like slid myself into that thing. And would have gotten stunned. Not too good. Oh, let's go. Graffiti, graffiti. Go, guys. Boom. Kaboom. Oh my god. How did I... Okay, as I said that. Okay, well, bye guys. That was it.